If you were able to make it up to this part, maybe you notice something strange. When you submit, something is slow. It's like not responding properly. You see, it's slow. You cannot reload. Okay, so the record is there, but you cannot like use the application properly. I submit new record, and you see it's slow. I cannot select another records. Something is wrong. You can see something strange in the console. That's a pretty nice example when sometimes components delivered by ServiceNow are not working properly, and this time it's form component. We need to replace it. We cannot use form component this way here. So let's remove it, remove the form controller, and for our purposes, we need to use record tabs. Don't ask me why it's not working. Maybe the form controller is intended to use within agent workspace. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, this record tab component, it doesn't have the controller, so we need data resource for that, and it's going to be glide form. So glide form, edit, and this glide form is a data resource for records. So again, we need to set it up properly. And we will, on the record tabs component, we will be setting up the data, our data resource, now record form blob, and details props. This is settings that needs to be done in order for record tabs to work properly. So we need to state table here, and again, sysid through the data binding, because you cannot hard code -1 there. Okay, save it, and let's see. Okay, form is rendered, and now we need to bind some actions on our submit button. So let's delete the previous one, and let's add event handler. You see, this glide form has its own actions, and we will use the save again, and afterwards we are going to link our destination. You can notice that I'm pretty fast here, and the selected destination it was empty, so that's why it's not going to work right now. You will see. So it's a good example for you to know that sometimes you need to be slow on UI Builder. Yeah, I'm going to fill up something, but it should work just fine, but it will not work. You know, nothing is happening because my destination is empty. So let's take a look. Click on submit, and you see no destination. So again, I'm selecting home, and now home road is there. So let's save it again. And refresh. And now it will definitely work. Reload, our record is there, and we can navigate through the existing recordings with no problems. Mission complete.